Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix unable to establish connection with game server error in your Counter-Strike 2 CS2. Make sure that you stay until the very end this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So if the CS2 can connect to the server, you can fix it by doing some simple steps. So these are the steps. So these steps are meant to help you solve the problem and enjoy playing your game without issues. So first, you can do is to just simply check your internet connection. So one of the most common reasons for encountering the CS2 unable to establish connection with game server issue is a poor or unstable internet connection. So start by checking your internet connection to ensure it is stable and has enough bandwidth to support online gaming. So you can do this by running a speed test. So if your connection is slow or unstable, consider resetting your modem and router or contacting your internet provider, service provider for assistance. And then next, what you can do is to just clear the cache and temporary files. So another potential cause of this problem is a build-up of cache and temporary files on your computer. So these files can sometimes interfere with your game's connection to the server. So to fix this, you just need to follow the steps. So first, just open the run dialog by just pressing the Windows plus R key in your keyboard and just type the percent local up data percent and just press the enter. Locate and open the temp folder and select all the files in the folder and just delete them. So if you encounter any file in use, messages, choose do this for all current items and then just click on the skip. And then next what you can do is to change the DNS settings. So sometimes changing your DNS or the domain name system settings can help resolve connectivity issues. So to change your DNS settings, you can follow the steps right here. So first, open your control panel and navigate to the network and internet and just select the network and sharing center. So click on your network connection and click properties and just double click on the internet protocol version 4 and just use the following or check the following DNS server addresses and just enter the reliable DNS server addresses. So for example, for Google's DNS, it is the 8.8.8.8.8 and then the 8.8.4.4. So just after that, after doing all of that, just save your changes and check if the problem is solved. And then lastly, what you can do is to just reinstall Steam without deleting games. So if the issue persists, you can try reinstalling Steam without losing your game data. So you can just go ahead and follow the steps. So first, just open your File Explorer, navigate to the drive where the Steam is installed. So it's usually the C drive. So just delete everything in the Steam folder except for the Steam apps, user data, and the Steam.exe files. So just open the Steam and it will perform an update and reinstall the necessary files. And after that, just log into your Steam account and check if the problem is resolved. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.